easy in the Oracle. So let's talk about it. All right, it's June 4th, Thursday, 2026. Let's talk about the market. All right, so market kind of trend down a little bit. If you look at the daily, look like we are in a downward trend. Look like we're getting some pullbacks finally after all this upward trend. We still got this gap down here that we haven't filled yet. Look like the market is going towards this gap. But yeah, so it looked like we're going toward that gap. And let's see, hopefully we can get some kind of movement. Right now we are in the orb, kind of consolidating inside the orb. This is the 15-minute orb here. I got the Fibonacci here. It went all the way up past the 61.8. Just kind of trended down a little bit. So we just kind of wait and see what's going on and go from there. Let's see. All right. See that we are good here.
We got a sign in the chat.
Okay, good. You can see it.
Yeah, but I got a sign in the chat. I can't see it like that.
All right. Let's see. Look like we about to get close to the orb. We got 5 more minutes before the top of the hour, so we don't have no news today. So hopefully we get some kind of movement. Look like this market want to go back up, but I don't know. It's kind of messing around in the orb, so pretty much chilling until we see something happen. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, there it is. It's starting to come back down. It's starting to come down now.
It's going all the way up, though.
Yeah. Oh, man. Let's see what it do. Consolidation right now. So we have a kind of a gap. I think I looked at the 15-minute chart. We got a little gap here from here to here. So we got a gap right there. May come back up, fill that gap right there up top. If not, then we got a huge gap down here. That over there. So we got a huge gap down there that need to be filled. Don't know if it's gonna fill it today, but it can sure start going that way. So we got 4 minutes before the top of the hour. Let's see what it's gonna do. Yep. Let's go. Boom. Let's go. Let's go do.
The daily retrace 50%. Yeah.
No, I'm just sending it to a chat room by link.
Okay. Yeah. I don't want this to confuse me because I have 2 fibs on them.
Oh. she's going up. She's going up. This is going up. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when that beat come on?
I think this one gonna be red probably. It probably end red and the next one gonna be green. It's that retracement candle that
Yeah, I think.
I don't know. Let's see.
Boy, I tell you what, that
Let's
whole
see
look at that
here.
1 hour candle that retraced that whole candle. Ooh, Lord, look at that bad boy there. So that 8 o'clock candle gonna turn into a doji. Man, this market look like it want to go up. Look like it want to go up. I'm all for it. Let it go.
Let it do what it do.
Let it do what it do. Oh, it's coming back down. Smoke act like it don't know what it want to do right now. I mean, we had a downward trend pretty much all day. So I mean, we from the open. Let's see, right here, 17. So this was the open yesterday. Today's the 4th. So let's go here. So the open of Asia session was a doji candle. It kind of consolidated. Then about 2 o'clock in the morning, it started trending down, and we've been trending down ever since. And then we got a pull back here, and then from that pullback we come back down. So look like we got a downward trend, correction, downward trend. So it looks like we're gonna have a downward trend. These 2 hours was a correction, and we coming back down to a downward trend. So I think that look like market structure right there. Oh, daily candle is a deep red going all the way down. We got a nice healthy wick off the weekly. This is the weekly. This is the daily low. We on a downward trend, a correction off of all of this. We got a gap sitting right here that haven't been filled almost 2 weeks now, a week and a half. So we got a gap that haven't been filled. So we gonna have upward trend. Look like we got a good correction, a V-shaped correction going down. So look like we might be getting a nice little healthy pullback. And if we short, then we just got to be looking for shorts.
Yeah, that's pretty much.
Yeah, we in consolidation right now. Oh, 9 o'clock candle is here. No news.
That's
Man,
good.
long week though.
What the
So it got a wick on the top, got a wick on the bottom.
But look, we reached the 50% of the
Shit.
previous candle right there.
Uh-huh.
We already hit that. Let's see what we're doing.
So we inside the orb. So I mean, I wouldn't do anything until we go outside this orb, or we do something. So right now we look small bodies, long wicks. Right now, small bodies, long wicks. In a bit of a consolidation. So we got a nice little healthy wick for it to go down. And that's what it looks like she's doing. But we know how this works.
We're trying to come out of the orb, huh?
Yep. So we never close outside the orb. And so even though we had a wick that went outside the orb, we never had a candle close outside the orb. So I would be really, really hard pressed to take a trade if it pops out the orb again, because it may come back inside the orb and put you in immediate drawdown. So yeah, that's more of a wait and see.
What time frame you on?
That's a 5 minute, 5 minute.
I'm trying not to look over there today.
Or the 5. Okay.
Or the 1. I
right.
must still, I must still pop
Yeah,
over
yeah,
there,
yeah.
but try not to make decisions off of those smaller time frames because it tricked me out my trade.
Yeah.
Everyday shit.
Every day. I know that's right. Let's see. Oh, she about to tap the orb. Wait for the next 5-minute candle. See what he go do. Because we know how this works, right? The 15-minute candle may come all the way down, and then the next 15-minute candle do a whole retracement going all the way up. And then we'll be having issues.
It might be going down though because look, it made a wick at
Made its-
50% of the fib.
I know.
It did.
So here we go. So if this candle closed outside the orb, okay, then the next 5 minutes we want to look for a retracement back inside the orb and then go in.
Yeah.
So that's what I'll be looking for.
And look, that's London lows too, right there.
Yeah. So I think we need to close outside the orb, and then next candle come in, retrace the orb, and then maybe duck his head outside the orb for to take the short, try to get a good entry. Yeah, so she ducked herself outside the orb, about to hit London. Well, that's not London. That's gonna be New York right there. That New York low. Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
I need her to come back up though. Come back up and retrace a little bit, but it looks like she ain't doing that. She pulled the wick down. Damn. No retracement on the orb. She just going straight down.
It's about to tap London though.
Yep.
And let's see if it rejects. It's so crazy. Look, that candle came in. This 9 o'clock candle came in, and look at that wick is exactly lined up right there.
Exactly.
Man, if we would have took that right there.
I know.
But still, you don't know what it's gonna do.
Yeah.
And then we just looking for a scalp, so
Yeah.
not.
Hey, look at that. She's still going down.
Damn. We gonna miss the bus.
Yeah, we missed the bus.
I don't think so though. We still need
Ooh, look at that. Look at that.
retracement.
Yeah, we gotta wait for a retracement. This is the patience part.
And what did it do?
Yep, it tapped London, and
Let's see if we're gonna break out of it.
Yeah,
And close
so-
above it.
we got London right here, and it tapped it, and look what it did. It retraced it, going back up. I want to see it come back up, and we may not get it.
Might not get it.
May not get it. May not get it. May not get it.
Then where would the target be?
So if we talking
30,000?
shots, 30,000. I think that'll be the target down here, 30,000. 30,100. But I just want to see. I want to see a retracement, though. She's coming back up. Okay. I would like to see a retracement back inside the orb. See what that 10-minute candle do 10 minutes after. She just look like she's not giving no retracements. And it's crazy. It's like, say, okay, you take the trade right here, short, and you got the 15-minute candle come in, and all of a sudden it retrace back into the orb and then come back down. So that's the only issue with this play, is that she came down too fast without a retracement back into the orb. And she may not do it, but I would like to see, I would like to see it back inside, at least to close to the 23.6, and then come back down. And if she come back down, then, you know, we'd be golden. Yep, there we go. That's why you have to wait. Unless you was going to take the short scalp at the 50% orb and took it all the way down to London low. Now we just swept London low. Now what we going to do? We going back inside the orb, which that's a good thing.
We just testing it.
We just tapped the orb. We got a couple of more seconds before the next candle come in. Let's see what it do. And because I wanted to get some kind of retest to get a good entry, but it did. It tapped it, the orb, and coming back down, but it's hesitating. All right, here we go. Another candle. Come on. Let's see what you go do. Go back up.
We got another 5-minute candle came in. Huh?
Yeah, another 5-minute. Yeah, just a
it?
5-minute chart. So the 5-minute candle came in.
It's a John Wick, huh?
Yeah, it look like we go get a push up.
100%, yeah.
Yep.
Your yellow line is.
Yeah, that's
your orb.
That's the orb. Yep.
Okay.
Yellow line is the orb. So, yep. See, we going back in, and then I would like to see it go deep, and then come back out, or this may be a reversal candle, because it did swipe London low, so this may be a reversal candle to go up. We've seen this same song and dance before too. I think if it hit the 38, it may be a long.
Damn.
Yeah.
Well, we hit that zone now.
All right.
I would
Yeah. It tapped the 38, and we're about to go to the 50.
that's where the top of the week was. Wow. So what are we doing?
All right, so she right there at the 50. I mean, she pushed way up there.
EMA stopping it on the 5-minute, huh? Why yours look different? My EMA is tapping on it and yours not, huh? A little off?
Yeah, I don't know. We are. Well, that's we off by a few seconds on the live, so it could be like a 10-second delay. Yeah, it's 10-second delay on the live.
So we pushed up off of London zone.
Yeah, we were right at the 50% fib. Maybe a long here, because we push up off of London, kind of size of an upward trend. I don't think
I'm gonna take the trade though till we get out the orb.
Yeah. Yeah, because I mean, right now we inside the orb, and we're right at the 50% and hit the EMAs. This gonna be the 50 EMA, so we right at the 50 EMA. If it cross over the 50 EMA, then we look like an upward trend, but it tapped the 50 EMA and it's coming back down. and it tapped the 50, hit the golden zone right there, and it's coming back down. So we have to
So
cross
that's
over
the
the 50
retrace.
EMA for me to take a loan.
Yeah.
And my target to be right at the top of the orb, short and sweet. If we going long, I think my target to be right at the top of the orb, hit over here, and then this target up there. That's gonna be my trade for the day. Or unless it goes up, we still got a gap fill up here. This is the daily, so just kind of hanging out. We inside the orb. This is the 50. This is the 50 EMA. We right in the golden zone right there. So if we, if it doesn't cross the 50 EMA, I don't think I'll take a trade. If I do, it's going to be right at about the 61.
It
And
look like we got a wick up to 61 right
yeah,
there.
and to take a short, I want to see it go come all the way down to the 23.
I think there's gonna be a green candle.
Yeah, I think so. I think the hourly.
We do have the.
Oh yeah. Ooh, look at
the
that hourly.
hourly.
Oh man.
We have the EMA and the VWAP though right above the 78. So
Yeah. Oh, she said this probably gonna be a long, man. I will wait for this. Let's wait for this 15-minute candle. You know how this goes. Let's wait. This 15-minute candle might come down, give us a nice little retracement, and then go back up. To take the long.
damn.
Yep. Yeah, maybe she said I ain't getting no wick. Cross over to 50.
Well, that's because the EMA is right down.
Yep. Oh, she's popping. Got to come down. She ain't got no wick at the bottom. You got to come down to at least a 38. Come on down. Give us a nice little healthy wick for this 15-minute candle. That was a nice candle there. Getting in this right now, I think we're gonna be in drawdown.
You think so?
Yeah, because I think it's gonna come down. There's no wick
On which candle?
on this 15-minute candle. Looks like she just ain't doing it today, baby. She said, "Oh no, we gonna go higher." Oh shit.
According to the daily chart, if we get up to the orb, that would be 50%. See where we go from now.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. She's starting to trickle down a little bit. That's what I was looking for right there. She hit the 61.8. All right, it might take this long because we got a wick.
On the 15 minute?
Yeah, on the 15 minutes. So I may be wrong here, but I took the long here to try to see if we're going to go higher here. And I'm targeting right at the top of this orb right here. gonna mess around with it too much. If it comes down, I'm gonna get out of it real quick. If it hit the 38, I'll get out of it. If it comes in for a deeper weight, I ain't gonna mess around with it.
It shouldn't come to the 38 though.
Right. That'll be my exit.
Shouldn't.
Let's see what he's gonna do. Now we going to the top of the orb, or we just mess around and no.
Okay, we're testing the EMA and the 50.
Yep. It crossed over the 50, but it ain't doing nothing.
We're about to be getting a 5-minute candle close.
Yeah. Yep. Let's see what it do. We kind of hanging out right here. Look nasty right here. We hit the 61.8, so yeah, she might come down on me. Oh, another 5-minute candle come in. Kind of aggressive to the high side, but no, this is probably gonna come down. Let's see what it do. Yeah, we're right at my limit here before I get out this trade, because I don't want to take too much of a loss if we're going to retrace this coming down. We're crossed over the 50. We ain't closed over the 50. I think that was one of my issues there. Should have closed above the 50 to take the trade.
I'm trying to see where it's retracing to.
Yeah. Okay, I'm out of it.
No.
Yeah, cause I don't like it.
You're on that smaller time frame.
Yeah.
You're on that smaller time frame.
Oh yeah, damn
See?
it, that's right.
That's what I'm saying,
Yes.
man.
Oh my goodness, that 5 minutes fucked me up.
As I told you, I'm on a higher time frame.
Oh, that 5 minute fucked me up. Yep. Damn. Yep, that 5 minute fucked me up. Yep.
Damn. Maybe we gonna get over the 61 up there.
Yeah, 5 minutes fucked me up. Yeah, it's larger time frame. Yeah, I might take this again, shit. Cause I think we going up. I'm gonna take this again, back up to the orb, the top of the orb, and get on the higher time frame. Let's see. Then I'm gonna go down here. And target to be 30,400. Stop loss right here. Okay, let's see. Sit back and relax. Let it do what it do. Sit back and relax. Let it do what it do. Smaller time frames screw you up every time.
But we love them so much, huh?
Yeah, I know.
God damn.
go on and see what it do. All right, above the orb as far as take profit. I'm gonna go right there to the orb. Right on top of the orb. It may pop over the orb. Yep. Yeah, 5 minutes screwed me up. I took psychology kicked in and went on and got out the trade. Should have stayed in the trade, but got right back in. I didn't take too much of a loss on that one. So what you take profit at?
The daily.
Oh, the daily. Oh,
Right under the daily.
right under the daily. Yeah, we do have a gap right there. So yeah, right there, the daily. Okay. And that's going to
It
be.
may not. If I start running and I might get out.
Yeah.
It may not.
Midnight run. Okay.
Because we got to be out of it by 10. So
Yeah.
it may not be 10 to get out of it.
154. Okay, right there. All right.
Don't roll your chair back. He right
yeah,
by the
I
wheel.
know.
Right by the wheel.
All right, so we done got in the trade. And this is one of the things that we try to work on our trading journey is stop looking at some of the smaller time frames, because as you saw, it tricked me out my trade. I was on the 5 minute, I saw a red candle come down. I went on and got out the trade, and knowing that at the larger time frame, we had a week down here at London, so we swept London, and we going pushing up. Now we do have London highs right here, or London highs way up there. I'm sorry, London highs way up here.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, London highs way
London
up
high
there.
is what a weekly.
Yeah, it's about a weekly.
Yeah.
Ooh, sweet. Okay. So, yep.
View up in the EMA is holding.
Yeah.
I'm curious to see what the 30 minute gonna do for us. How it's gonna push us up.
All right, fib is not valid anymore, so I'm gonna take the fib off. Okay. 15 minute look good. Right at the VWAP. Got to cross over the VWAP on the 15 minute.
Mm-hmm. On a 4 hour too. That's where we at right now.
Nice, easy textbook trade. Ain't nothing easy about none of these trades, but nothing easy about none of these trades, but yeah, 247 stop loss. Okay. 4 hour look good to go up. 1 hour looking good. We're about to hit the top of the orb.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
All right, we passed the VWAP, we passed some EMAs. Big push. Yeah, I got tricked out the trade right there.
Yeah, that 5 minute. I like the 5 minute chart, but
Yeah.
I like the 1 minute better, but ooh.
Yep.
Mm-mm. Test the orb there.
Yeah. So it's just basically just waiting and letting it do what it do. The 30-minute may come in. This is why I want to be on the higher time frame, because see, this 30-minute about to come in, and there's gonna be a new 15-minute candle, and it may come down a little bit. You see how long that wick is, and this, how long these wicks is. So I'm anticipating on that 15-minute candle to come in and get a wick, nice little wick.
I think this just the retracement though. Retracement to
Let's see.
his
I think this 9 o'clock candle is a retracement candle. I don't think market structure is.
Because look how the daily set up.
Yeah, the daily setup.
It would have to
flip another color.
Yeah.
So I don't think so. I think this 9 o'clock is just gonna go maybe up just a little more, and then I think the 10 o'clock is gonna come back down.
Let's see though.
I think this is gonna be a retracement candle.
The 30-minute candle is in. Let's see.
Yeah, we haven't got no wick at the bottom yet. Yep. So she is. That's why I went to the 1 hour, because I know she is coming down.
We're gonna tap the orb. Okay, we got a wick now.
Okay. I mean, can this be a possibility that this thing could go way up there? I don't know. I don't think this could go way
Probably
up
not
there.
the 9 o'clock.
It's
Probably
9
not
o'clock.
the candle that we trade in, but
Yeah.
I don't know, because the daily is red.
Yeah.
Now we're retracing back to where.
Yeah. She is definitely coming down a little bit.
We'll pull back.
Pull back.
So we rejected the orb area. I'm just gonna
Yeah. Now I'm thinking she gonna go up. They got a gap right here. But again, I think in order to get all the way this high, that daily candle would have to almost flip red, and I just don't think so. I think it may pull up a little more, and I don't think so. That's my only fear, is this daily is red. Okay. That 15-minute coming down too.
God damn.
Yeah, she coming deep too. Yeah, she coming to get a deep wick.
Well, hopefully it's guided. Shit, don't need to come down no further. We can write that across over.
There she go. Yeah, we have something right up there about the 400s. Let's see if she do come up. Let's go.
That's on the
Up and
hourly. You on the
away.
hourly? That's
Oh
what it's
yeah,
doing
that's
right
what
there.
it's tug of war.
Yeah, man, the view out right there.
Tug of war, baby.
Mm.
Let's see what he do. Let's go. See, it has to pop over these EMAs. So right there, it's gonna be. Let's see. We got the EMA right there, and we got the VWAP. So we got the EMA and the VWAP. It crossed over it, but it come back down. So it need to come back up past the EMA and the VWAP, go it on across the 15-minute order, and kind of go a little higher. But it's struggling right here in this area of the VWAP and the EMAs.
Yeah, it's struggling, but yeah, we have a little patience this morning.
Yeah. So everybody that's watching, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
Make sure you hit that subscribe and notification bell as we do these trades live every day. Hit that thumbs up button too.
Let's get this.
So we look like we're going through a correction. This is the 1 hour chart.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's coming back down.
Projected the orb.
Look at that long wick. Yep. Yeah. See what it's gonna do.
Take you on a roller coaster.
Yeah. One of the coolest things that we've learned throughout our trading journey is that to help our psychology in trades, we try to not to look too much on the smaller time frames, because as you know, as you see this dropping like this, you can imagine on the smaller time frames, it's probably this red candle's coming all the way down.
It is.
So we have an upward trend, correction, upward trend. We got a John Wick right there on that candle, so that may not be a good thing. But then we got a big long red candle here, then come back up. Hopefully we can come back up here, go up there. So we had the upward trend, downward trend, correction, up. I don't like that John Wick candle right there. And then it comes straight down, and then it's going back up. So we got more of a consolidation at this point. That's what I'm thinking. To kind of build up, to kind of go higher. 30-minute candle. 30-minute candle got a nice healthy wick right here to push higher. So we could probably say, okay, cool. We got our wick, because if you look at the 30-minute candle wicks, we got long wick here. This was the 8:30 candle. Went up, came down, kind of created a doji candle. The 9 o'clock candle came in, went down, swept London. This is going to be London lows. And so now it went up. We got in the trade midpoint. And this is the next 30-minute candle, came down, got a nice healthy wick. And look like we're going back up. This is the orb. We gotta take profit way up here, but I don't think. We got 20 minutes before. We be out by 10. So
Scout what we can.
Yeah, maybe about right there. And I think that's she just don't want to do it. She don't want to go out.
Which chart this is?
That's the 30-minute.
It's a 30-minute.
30-minute chart right here.
Shit crazy.
Yeah. Trading is more of a psychology thing, yes, you're gonna win some, you're gonna lose some, and I think that's the whole thing about this, man. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some, but you stick with your plan no matter what. And I would like to see this continue to push up. I mean, we in between the VWAP and EMAs.
I trust the process, huh?
Yeah, you gotta trust the process, and yeah. All right, then let's see if we go to. We gotta break out this orb. I would like for it to break out the orb, go up a little bit, come back down, retest. But I mean, 20 minutes in the volume just kind of a little tab low right now. So we'd like to see this thing. It's tugging.
It's gonna get over it though.
Yep.
Have a little faith in it. I'm not on pins and needles this morning. Because I'm on a higher time frame, so that helps.
Yeah.
Psychology.
Yeah, it definitely helps.
I did say that though when we first before we got in. How the 8 o'clock candle was a downward candle, but this will probably be a correction. Even if the market is gonna come down today, this particular candle just usually your correction candle.
Yeah.
So most times if the 8 o'clock is red, your 9 o'clock will be green.
Yep. And I think one of the things I noticed this whole week, even if you back tested yesterday, the 8 o'clock candle was red. The 9 o'clock candle was green. The day before yesterday, even when you look at right here, this is yesterday. 8 o'clock candle red, 9 o'clock candle green.
Yeah.
Yep. So that was yesterday.
The way it kind of works is because we got the 8 o'clock candle. That one too. Is the same way.
Well, the 8 o'clock candle was green. The 9 o'clock candle was red. So we always have,
it worked that way.
It worked that way. And if you go all the way
back. Not every day, but.
Right here, 8 o'clock candle was red, 9 o'clock candle was green. So we always have that reversal candle, and that's been going on a lot.
And it's not that the market is reversing. I just look at that as a correction candle.
Yep.
Like, I don't know how to describe it. But.
So we this one right here, we went, this is 8 o'clock candle, and this was a continuation, but the 10 o'clock candle came down.
And what date was
this
that?
is going to be Tuesday.
Yeah. So all the way back.
All the way back.
It's not every day. None of it is 100%, but yeah.
Yep.
It works out that way. So.
All right. It's stuck right now. And the reason why is because it's trying to fight these EMAs and this VWAP.
anybody in the chat trading, or if they're just watching.
Oh, I see 5 people in the chat. So,
Okay.
anybody in the chat trading, go down and drop a comment. Hit the thumbs up. I see a couple of y'all watching. Hit the thumbs up. Go down and let us know if you're trading. Are you just watching? Are you a beginner? Trying to learn?
Yeah.
If you're trying to learn.
We still learning too.
Yeah. I think
it's a journey.
It's a journey,
it's a
man.
Journey,
it's a journey, yeah. It's a journey, no matter what. The 15-minute candle about to come in, and hopefully we could get a continuation. I think it thing might just pop. Look at that. I mean, it's coming all the way back down. You see that? Look at that pop. 15-minute candle came in and the pop.
Yeah. I'm not gonna move my stop loss. I'm not gonna. Either I'm gonna win or lose today. What are the other?
So she's going back up. Yeah.
Always trying to retrace 61.
I took my
5
fib
minute?
off.
5
Yeah,
minute?
that's a 5-minute, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so she's like, I mean, we got 10 minutes before the top of the hour. Usually she does a little pop to try to get where she need to go before the 10 o'clock.
We just got a new 15-minute candle came
Yeah.
in. Let's see how the last one ended. Okay.
It's got to pop over, put you through it, but
Back up there.
Yep, back up there. Now I would like to see it at least go to the top of the.
That stopped out.
I know.
Pulling all the way back down there.
I know this is where the psychology of the patience.
People lost money right there, and if we were, well, if I was on a smaller time frame, I would have probably got out too.
Yeah, if it's fighting with these EMAs, it's fighting here. It's fighting. Just have to pop it over. Got pop over it.
Yeah, Wolf Trade is waiting for a trade. Well, they did get one. Huh?
Yeah, they well, and then
in the beginning.
In the beginning,
right
yeah.
After,
I mean, if they would have took the trade right outside the orb all the way to London lows, that could have been a nice little scalp. But to come back inside the orb, to come all the way back up, they would have to wait for it to break, right, and come back down. But I don't think this thing gonna do that today, though.
Probably not in our time frame. If they go, because we'll be off.
Yeah, no.
You do all that whining to come in here and sleep. No. Can't stay up there.
Can't stay up there. Can't stay up there. Yep, she's coming down.
You have a box? on the smaller time frame?
No box today. I didn't do a box today. I could do a box on a smaller
might
time
not break.
Yeah, she's rough. Yeah. She said, oh no. Long, weak, small bodies, man. Long, weak, small bodies. Yeah.
Ranging. Consolidation.
Yeah. We in between the EMA and the VWAP. Yeah, we in between that. Yep.
So good. We didn't make a new low.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
That's crazy. On a higher time frame, I'm watching it. Give me the money, take the money. Give me the money, take the money. Just going up and down,
up and down. We are
until they break this point.
Yeah.
Until we get over the EMA and the VWAP on the hourly chart.
Yeah.
And break out the orb. The yellow line you have.
Yes,
up
it's
there.
the orb.
Okay.
Yep.
So we have less than 10 minutes in this this candle. Come on, push up.
Yeah. Well,
it would be nice though to come
I know.
outside of the orb before the next hour come in.
Yeah.
You gotta go back to the daily.
Yeah.
And that daily is still strong red. Right now we at the 78%.
Yeah. If we don't get no push up, about 5 minutes before the top of the hour, I'm gonna go break even on this and how to take what I see. Cause right now it's just she just messing around, consolidate. This really ain't going nowhere.
But look, the daily, you think about it. If
the
we break out of the orb, then the market is reversing.
I know. That's my only issue about that. Is that the daily candle is a strong red. And the 9 o'clock candle right now, it look like it's a retracement candle. This is what we trade right now. So we actually trading outside of market structure, which is a downward trend. We trade in a correction candle. Because if you look at overall, market structure is on a downward trend. So what we trading with the 9 o'clock candle is a correction candle going up. And once the 10 o'clock candle come in, it may just pop up a little bit to get its wick, and it's gonna come slamming straight down. And that's why I'm thinking that's what it's doing.
Yeah.
That's why we're in the middle of a consolidation period right now, because I don't think it's gonna go no higher.
So yeah, that 100% would have been the target for the retracement. But shit, we just don't know. You don't know till you know.
I know.
Just NASDAQ. Do what it do.
And and the volume has decreased big time. We had high volume here. Just the volume of the market right now has definitely decreased. So we looking like Asia right now when it come down to the volume of the market. So this is why you kind of got a stagnant right here of consolidation.
Yeah.
So yeah, since it's weak, and you got to remember it's Thursday too. We've been having pretty crazy market throughout the week. So this may be just a consolidation day that is just going to hang out in the orb all day and kind of go back and forth, back and forth.
Well, that's what it's been doing. If you look on the hourly chart.
Oh yeah, that's what it's been
since
doing.
4 a.m.
Yeah, it's just been
We're in
consolidation.
One area. This shit, you can put a box on that.
Yeah,
pretty
that's
much. It's
hourly consolidation right here. So we're not going up or
Yep.
down. So it's just been hanging out in this box. No forward direction at the moment. So I mean, this is one of the reasons why we probably going to get out the trade, because right now it's just no movement, and it's maybe a possibility that this market just probably is going to just stay stagnant.
It's gonna move in this direction.
Yeah. Well, yeah. So
By the end of the day,
yeah.
it's gonna do something.
Probably not this candle.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We only trade that 1 hour candle, so
Yeah. Yeah. See that? It's just stuck. Stuck. I mean, no kind of real big pop.
price is holding.
Yeah, it's holding. No big pop. I mean, it's all struggle bus.
It is struggling.
Struggling. And as we get closer to the top of the hour, we already know what's going to happen.
Oh, you already in?
Yeah, I'm about to take this off.
Okay.
I'll take that off because we have a few minutes before the top of the hour, and yeah. I'll take that off. Yeah, because it's just no way that it's gonna do anything right now. All right, I'm still leaning on my apex. So, about to take this off.
Time frame, huh?
Yeah, I'll take this off on my apex as we get. Yeah, we about to 3 minutes. I'm gonna go break even there.
Oh yeah, it's really about to stop y'all if you do that.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. Couple of minutes before. And it's probably gonna meet up there. If you meet up.
It did.
It did.
At the wicks.
Okay. Yep. I've got out prematurely, but hey, I just saw that it wasn't doing what it got to do, and so.
Patience. Have a little patience today. I don't know where I get the patience from today. Gotta be God, cause I've been and jumped in and out of trade.
Yep. So I wound up taking it off And the reason why is because we 2 minutes before the top of the hour, the market was just kind of hanging out right here. I made up for my loss, so I'm in the green for the day. 2 trades, 1 loss, 1 win, and yeah, we just in the consolidation right now. We inside the orb, just kind of bouncing here. Market structure. The only thing that's scaring me is this daily candle. This daily candle would have to turn green in order to tap that daily low from yesterday. So I think we're going to come down. If you look at the daily, we are on a downward trend. We tapped up here twice and it didn't want to go no higher. So we on a downward trend started yesterday. We need this pullback though, because we haven't had a pullback in 2 weeks. So we need to get this pullback in. And not saying that we on a downward trend as far as the market, but we got this strong gap sitting back here from last week that we haven't filled. So we got this gap, and don't think it's going to hit this gap today, but maybe if this come back down and the next candle come down, it may fill a gap probably by tomorrow. If not, then we'll be looking for that gap next week.
That's crazy. It's like I waited to the end of the hour to pop up like that, huh?
Yeah. But
That's it for you, huh?
that's it. That's gonna be it. The 10 o'clock candle came in and it's going straight up, but it don't have a wick at the bottom, so
Might not need one right here. Well, yeah, 1 trade for me that I'm still in the
Still
same
in it?
trade
Okay.
up because I'm on the higher time frame, so
yeah.
I got a different result today.
Yep.
Being patient, being on a higher time frame, watching it give you the money, take the money, and do all that it's doing.
Yep.
Yeah. All right.
All right, so we gonna get on out of here. Thank y'all very much for joining us live trading. We gonna see y'all tomorrow. It's gonna be June 4th, Thursday, 2026, and we are out of here. Thank y'all guys very much.
Thank you. Too much, yeah.